Hello once again and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be talking about EURUSD. And in my last video that I made yesterday, I mentioned that I was looking for a retracement back to this fair value gap on our 4 and then a push lower. And you can see that instead we got a sweep first and then proceeded fill this fair value gap. And on a daily, this one looks like a beautiful bullish closure. So going back to our 4 so let me drop down to an hourly. You can see that before sweeping out, there's a close. We left this high and broke above it, making this a structure shift. So technically, we should be expecting higher prices, like a retracement back to this fair value gap and a structure shift on a lower time frame and a continuation higher, taking out this high. And this is the reason why I hate trading at the end of the month. Price is way tricky. So for me, I'm neutral, but I'm gonna be doing nothing because we are expecting like I said, we are expecting FOMC at 2:30 p.m. And for me, I would say it will be much better for me to do nothing until the month ends and look for some opportunity maybe next month. And thanks for watching this video, and make sure that you like this video because it helps a lot. Even if you don't subscribe, just like the video, and see you in the next one.